3.kcse revision channel. I'm teacher James Marita, Girls Boys High School. Kindly subscribe my channel, click the notification bell such that you get notified once I upload a new video. Today we are looking at mathematics revision from 4 Trigonometry 3, and we are looking at the rotation of angles on a unit circle. So rotation of the angles on a unit circle. The first thing you are supposed to understand in this unit circle that we have the three trigonometric ratios, that is the sine, cosine, and the tangent. So in this, the unit circle is divided into 4 parts. That one is the first quadrant, second, third, and the fourth. So in the first quadrant, all the trigonometric ratios are positive. That is, the sine, the cosine, and the tangent are positive in the first quadrant. In the second quadrant, the sine is positive. If the sine is positive, it means that the cosine and the tangent in the second quadrant are negative. In the third quadrant, we have the tangent being positive, therefore the sine and the cosine are negative. And then in the fourth quadrant, we have the cosine which is positive, then the sine and the tangent are negative in that case. So the base angle in the first quadrant, we can get it at 0 degrees, because we have this rotation of this 0 degrees. We start from 0 degrees. So the base angle, we can have this one. So if you find our solutions of the angle in the first quadrant, so it is just 0 plus that base angle. In the second quadrant, it is 180. You subtract the base angle. In the third quadrant, we have 80 degrees, then plus the base angle, and then finally we have 360 minus the base angle. So in that unit circle, we have on this side the x-axis. The x-axis we have, when you understand the number line, so we have the positive values and then we have the negative values. In the positive values of the y-axis, the x-axis on the unit circle, we rotate, we have 0 degrees, then you go complete circles are 360, keep on rotating, you will have 720, and then we have 1080. So in that case here, so all the solutions that you are getting here, you are supposed to add the base angle. So the base angle is added to either 0 degrees, 360, 720, and 1080. So to the x-axis, that is on this side, you will have the subtraction of the base angle, that is 900, rotate 540, then we have 180 degrees. So you are finding your solution here, you are supposed to subtract your base angle in that case. So what you need to understand here, make sure that you understand the unit circle, the rotation of the unit circle, and then you will be able to obtain all the values, the correct values using the unit circle. So in our first case, we are supposed to solve 2 sine x, 2x plus 30 degrees is equals to be root 3 for the range of x ranging between 0 degrees and 180. So it's very important to understand that the range here is very important here. So how do you solve this one here? To solve this one first, you need to divide. So we have, this is 2, then we have sine, this is 2x, then plus 30 in that case is equals to be root 3. So you are supposed to divide by 3, multiply by 2. So you divide here by 2, and then this side you divide by 2. Such that you have that sine into 2x, in this case plus 30 degrees, this one is equivalent to be root 3 all over 2 at that point. So from here, you carry out the sine inverse of root 3 over 2, or you can carry out the same sine inverse here, and then you have the sine inverse of 3 root 3 over 2. So the sine inverse of root 3 over 2 So you are supposed to carry the sign inverse here. So we have 2x, then plus that in that case is equals to p. So you carry out the sign inverse of root 3, we have root 3 over 2. What did you have from your calculator, or you can use a mathematical table? You get that root 3 over 2 is equivalent to 60 degrees. So this one will be equivalent to the 60 degrees. And in that case, that 60 degrees, this one becomes this is our base angle in that case. So we have this one as our base angle. So our solution now we have, it is 2x plus 30 degrees is equivalent to the 60 degrees. 60 degrees in that case, this is our base angle. Then check now that we have 2x plus 30 degrees is equivalent to 60 degrees. The sign here, it is positive. So being a positive, where is the sign being positive in this unit circle? So if we can rotate the base angle 60 degrees on the unit circle, we find that the sign is positive. It is positive in the first quadrant and it is positive in the second quadrant. So the first values, the first pair of the solution, we have from the first quadrant where we have 0 plus theta degrees, and then we have the second quadrant where the sign is positive, which is 180 minus theta degrees, in that case minus the base angle. So from here, you understand that we have the first solution from the first quadrant because all the trigonometric values are positive, and another solution from the second quadrant because the sign is positive there. So we can proceed that 2x, in that case 2x plus that is equivalent to b. From the first pair, we have the first quadrant which is 0 degrees plus theta. And in this case, our theta here in this case is 60. So 0 plus 60, so we can have this one as 60 degrees. Then we get it from the second quadrant where we have 180 minus 60. So we can have 180 minus 60. That one will give us 120. So we have this is 180 in that case minus 60 degrees. So that is the first pair. The second one now will rotate, and then we have from 0 degrees, then we have 360. So in this 360, we are supposed to add the base angle. The base angle here in that case, it is 60 degrees. So we need to have another pair of solution. So another pair, it is 360, in that case plus 60 degrees. So we have 360 plus in that case 60 degrees. Then if we rotate, we can have 540. On this side, we are supposed to subtract the base angle. So we have 540. So in that case, we have 540 then minus the base angle, which is 60 degrees. Next, we proceed and then we rotate up to 720. In this side, we are supposed to add. So we have that 720 plus now. So we have this is 720, we plus now 60 degrees. Then another one we have 900 minus. On this case we are supposed to subtract the base angle. So we have this is 900 in that case minus 60 degrees. Then the last pair of our solution, we get it from 1080 in that case plus the base angle, but it's not a must. So the solution is now, we have from here is 2x. So we have 2x, then plus 30 degrees is equal to p. We have 60 degrees. This is 120. So this is 120. Then we have 420, that is 60, 360 plus 60. 540 minus that one, it will give us 480. So we have, this is 480 degrees. 720 plus that one is giving us 780, and finally we have 840. So we have this is 840. From there, you can subtract. You can say that 2x plus 30 degrees is equals to 60. You transfer the 30 to the other side from a positive, it will change to a negative. So we have 2x minus 2x is equals to p, 60 minus 30. So we have 2x, which is equivalent to the first solution. Now we can have as 30 degrees. We have this one as 30 degrees. Then we have 90. We have 90 degrees. We have 390 degrees like that. This is up to here. It is 420 minus 30 is giving us 390. And then we have 450 degrees. Then if we have 750, from here it is 780 minus 30 degrees. And then finally we have, this is 800, we have 810. So we need now the solution of x. Solution of x now will be, we divide 30 by 2, we have x. X is equals to p. So we have this one as 15 degrees. So we have, this is 45 degrees. 390 we divide by, we have, this is 195 degrees. 195. 450 by 2, we have, this is 225 degrees. Then we have, this is 375, and finally we have 405. This is 405 degrees. Now from our solution here, the range of x must be ranging between 0 degrees and 180. So the solution for x is equals to p. X will be equivalent to 15 degrees. Then we have 45 degrees. This one is now within the range, because our range from 0 degrees to 180. So all these solutions here. So the possible solution of x now in that case is 15 degrees and 45 degrees. We have come to the end of our lesson. Don't forget to subscribe, watch, and share. Thank you.